Hey guys, welcome back to Java tutorial series. In today's lecture, we will be studying about our next mathematical library method, which is math.rent. Math.rent is a predefined mathematical function which helps us to round off some values which we have accepted from the user or initialized it. So basically system round offs that value which has a fractional part less than 0.5 to an adjacent integer which is lower than that of that value, and if the fractional part is greater than 0.5, then the system will round it off to the greatest adjacent integer. Yes, it is similar to math.round, but the difference comes when the fractional part is 0.5. In the case of math.round, the system used to round it off to the next greatest adjacent integer, means basically the next integer to it which is greater than that. But in the case of math.rent, it is opposite. So if the value has a fractional part equal to 0.5, then system will round it off to the number which is the integer which is lower to that. Means basically if it was 3.5, then system will round it off to 3 in the case of math.rent. So let's write a small program to understand this better. As you can see on your screen, I have written the basic program which has the header files. Declare this scanner class and empty system.out.println statement. So let's write our main program. Double c is equal to 2.13 semicolon at the end. Yes, this also deals with only double data type values and not with integer, long, etc. Now we will ask the system to round it off using the statement double d is equal to math dot rent in braces the variable which has the value, in this case c, and a semicolon at the end. Now we will give our output as d. Let's compile this. As you can see, it is no syntax error. Now we will try to run our program. We have received our output. It is 2.0, because as we know, this system will convert the number which has a fractional part less than 0.5 to a number which is less than that, basically an integer which is less than that. So it was 2.13, then the system converted it into 2. So that's it for today. If you have any sorts of doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. Thank you for watching the video.